In this video, we're going to learn about ratios and unit rates. And this is a word problem. So if we have a problem like this that says two cars were racing around a racetrack. The red car went around the track 18 times in 6 minutes. The blue car went around the track 24 times in 12 minutes. Which car was faster, the red car or the blue car? So to find out which car was faster, you will need to compare the unit rates. So we need to find out the unit rates for each car. The greater unit rate will tell you which car was faster. So find the unit rate for the red car. So to do that, you look at the ratio 18 over 6, or the fraction. The fraction is the same as a ratio. And the unit rate equals some number over 1. Okay, so we're trying to find how many times the car goes around the track in 1 minute. Okay, so we're trying to solve for this question mark. So ask yourself, what do I do to 6 to get it to equal to 1? What do you do to 6 to get it equal to 1? Well, you divide it by 6. So let's divide that by 6. And because we're dividing the denominator by 6, we also divide the numerator by 6. So 18 laps in 6 minutes equals 3 laps in 1 minute because 18 divided by 6 is 3. So the red car goes 3 laps in 1 minute, 3 laps per minute. Now we have to find the unit rate of the blue car. Okay, so we go through the same steps. So we take the numbers, it goes 24 times in 12 minutes. So 24 laps over 12 equals how many laps in 1 minute? And that's the unit rate for that car. So ask yourself, what do I do to 12 to get it equal to 1? What do I do to 12 to make it 1? Well, I divide it by 12. And because you're dividing the denominator by 12, you divide the numerator by 12 as well, and that'll give you the answer. So it's 2. 12 fits into 24 2 times. So 24 laps in 12 minutes is the same as 2 laps per minute. So 3 laps per minute is faster than 2 laps per minute. So the red car is the faster car. And that's how you do that problem. And don't worry if you don't get that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's links there to other videos of mine that I've done that are like this. As well, download the ebook. In the ebook, you'll find this exact lesson in there with a link that will bring you right to this video so you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.